Notion is an excellent tool for task management, note taking, and staying on top of many other day-to-day items. However, one action that you may find that doesn't jump out at you is setting a reminder. That's because the options to do so are a little hidden. But once you know where to find reminders and how they work, using them is an extremely easy task. When you add a reminder, Notion will send you a notification to draw your attention back to a particular task, event, or page at the time you specify. This is helpful for setting due dates and making sure you never forget a thing. So let's start with the database, and let me show you how can we set reminders in databases, and then we will move on to the pages. Alright, so in my main dashboard, let me open up my YouTube database, and in here let me open up this task. And what we need to do is we need to add a property of date, and which I already have in my task, and I will add a reminder in here. So let's say I want myself to remind later in the day that I want to work on this task. So what I will do is I will include time, and I will just add the time over here, and also once I add the time, it will give me these options, like I want this to remind me 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before, 1 day before, but I want to use at the time of event. So you can see that right now we have a clock icon in front of our date and time, which means that a reminder is set for this task. So what will happen at 1 p.m. that it will just give me a pop-up, a notification on the side tray, and also in my sidebar as well. So in here in the update section, you can see I already have reminders in here, so it's just going to show me all of the reminders here. And also another thing, let's say the time has passed and I set up my reminder for 1 o'clock and I didn't look at it. What it will do that, let me just change the time here. Okay, so what it's going to do that it's going to change the color of reminder to the red one, so which means that I need to have a look at this task, and again it's also going to show into my updates on my sidebar or in my notification tray. Alright, so let me just clear this one, and now let's take a look at the pages, that how can we add reminders into the page. So let's say I want to remind myself of a task or an event that I have to work on, so I will add the task. Let's say it's a social media calendar that I have to work on later, and what I will do is I will just link the task over here, and then I will add remind today or tomorrow, whatever I want to do. Remind today, let's say I want to add again this time. Alright, now you can see that the timer here is already in the blue color. So let's say again if we hit the time that we actually used here, let's say it's 1 a.m. again it's going to change it into the red color. So that's pretty much it for the reminder. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe, see you in the next one.